All right, let's check out this other model here, shall we? I know, I'm pretty sure I made a cut on this guy, but it's wanting to play games with me right now. And we're not gonna do that. All right, let's see. This is a different model. This one also has the same neck carry position. Now, this one also has the screwdriver, and we have the same paperwork, but no screws loosey-goosey on this one. All right, so that was interesting. I'm just gonna check here to be on the safe side. That feels pretty tight. I could tighten that one a little bit more. But yeah, nice that they're in, they're adding some, I mean, keep in mind, these are all cheapo screwdrivers, but I mean, it's something, right? It's something. They don't have to add that in there, but they chose to. So let's see. All right, we got the same blacked out bead on this one for neck carry. Same deal with the pocket clip, right? It's set to scout carry, but it can be mounted for vertical carry. And let's check out the blade on this one. Should be a different, slightly different geometry than this guy. Let's see. Oh man, okay, listen. Now we're cooking. All right, now we are cooking, ladies and gentlemen. This is my kind of geometry right here. Let's give her a nice little wipe here. Kind of bring it to its full glory right here. Oh man, I'll tell you what now. This one is absolutely something I would definitely carry. I'll tell you that. What steel are we working with? Do we know? All right, we don't have steel marking on this one. This one does say 14C. This one does not say, so future me put it on the screen. I'm not sure why it wouldn't have that printed somewhere, but we have the full tank construction on this one as well. We have a smaller ring back here, right, ring hole, and we have the same, black G10, but this one has a different pattern. So even the attention to detail, right, this one has the sort of squares, right, milled out G10. This one has a very unique pattern of its own. So I mean, not even that is the same on both. Right, they do have the gold hardware, right, with the milled out Lothar logo and, T8 on the other side. And by the way, in case you're wondering, these are just maybe a little dirty. It's just you would just kind of clean it in there a little bit. But yeah, very nice detail. Now, I can tell you the ergos on this one are going to be pretty cool. So I got this curvature right here with plenty of jimping there and plenty of jimping here as well. And that feels perfect. That feels really good for an EDC fixed blade that you can just about carry anywhere, everywhere, depending on your local loss. Very lightweight as well. Oh man. And if I want to go the pinky route, then this looks pretty interesting too, right? It can be locked in with the pinky, so I can, aside from hitting the table, right? I could, let's say, here's the perk of having the actual finger ring right there. I could drop the blade, do something with my hands, like if I'm doing something, grabbing something, I'm working with my hands, I don't want to let go of the knife because immediately I'm going to need to bring it right back and keep cutting. So that's one reason right there. You could do that and just kind of bring it back, keep cutting, right? Good flat grind, great for slicing and dicing. Great utilitarian tip right there for draw cuts, utility cuts, beautiful Warncliffe geometry, which I absolutely love. All right, I'm digging that. I think out of the two so far, that one is quirky and very unique in its own way. And I don't want to say, I mean, I absolutely liked what that one's going for. It's very unique. I haven't seen many fixed blades with that geometry. But for EDC carry, this one right here is speaking to me a lot. What do you guys think, right? What are your thoughts on this one? Drop them in the comments and let me know, guys. But all right, let's see here. Good standard grip like this. Feels good. Reverse grip also feels good. This one also feels comfortable if you use the ring or if you don't. I almost cut myself there. I got to be very careful. That edge, yeah, that is a very, like, look at that. It's very, very sharp there to the very tippity edge corner right there. So, yeah, a little bit of that, which you don't see usually in this channel. But, yeah, that's like a mosquito bite. Nothing serious. So, very superficial. Right. So, reverse grip feels good. That's what I was trying to say. The Friday night gas station fighting grip feels good too. Your pinky kind of falls in that curvature there. So that feels nice. And the Pakal grip, no, that one's a little bit more risky because you do have your palm here. And as I mentioned, that is a very sharp edge. I mean, as you can see the evidence right there. So I wouldn't do this grip, me personally. But let's do some size comparisons. All right, let's see here next to each other, next to some other EDC fixed blades as well. On the larger end of things, we got the Tenable Luccio right there. And here's the Ursa Major from Kizer, right? Those are going to be a whole different ballpark of fixed blades, right? So, I mean, when you ask yourself which of these are going to be more user friendly, easier to carry on the daily, of course, the smaller the better, unless you know you're out there camping and doing some serious work. Then obviously you might want a more hardcore blade. But for day to day, right, fixed blade carry, right, something small like this is probably going to be a better fit. We got the newly released Kizer Drop Bear fixed blade right there. That one's pretty awesome with the toothpick and tweezers, right? A little stash away, little hidden situation there. That's pretty neat. Check out the unboxing on this guy if you haven't already. And here's the Kizer Smolt, another one of my favorite EDC fixed blades. You can see they're more or less that good EDC blade length, right? For EDC tasks, not too big, not too heavy, right? Absolutely highly recommendable. And I do have content on all these fixed blades, by the way, so you can check out if you want to see more details about any of these. You absolutely can. Check those videos out here in the channel. And last but not least, there's the Vosteed Mink. Absolutely love that as an EDC fixed blade. And a very affordable D2 LynxGear fixed blade right here, right? Pretty epic. Check out the videos on those to learn more, but again, I'll have them all linked down below so you guys can check out prices, availability, and variants. All right, just trying to give you a ballpark. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one, either this one or this one. Peace.